Welcome to our tutorial on how to mute calls ringtone in Snapchat. With the new update, you can easily silence incoming calls while still remaining active on the app. Let's walk through the steps on how to do this on your Android device. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Navigate to the desired chat where you want to mute the calls. Next, press on the friend's name within the chat. This will bring up a menu with various options. Now, tap on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with more settings options. Select the Chat and Notification Settings option from the menu. This will take you to a new screen where you can customize your chat and notification preferences. Within the settings, tap on the Notifications Settings option. This will bring up a list of different notification settings that you can adjust. Finally, locate the option to Turn on Mute Calls and toggle the switch to enable this feature. This will ensure that incoming calls no longer ring or make a sound while you are using the app. And there you have it. You have successfully muted calls ringtone in Snapchat. Now you can enjoy your chats without any interruptions from incoming calls. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.